In today's video, I'm going to teach you what is Google Play Protect. Google Play Protect is Google's built-in malware protection service for Android devices. In simple terms, it works quietly in the background to help keep your phone, your apps, and your personal data safer. One of the most helpful things about it is that it does not require much effort from you. It is designed to operate automatically, which makes it an important part of Android security for everyday users. At its core, Google Play Protect checks apps before you download them and continues monitoring your device afterward. That means it is not only focused on new apps from the Google Play Store, but also on apps that are already installed on your device. This ongoing scanning helps detect suspicious behavior early, which can reduce the risk of harmful software affecting your phone. One of its key functions is app scanning. Before you install an app from the Play Store, Google Play Protect runs a safety check to help identify potential risks. It also scans the apps that are already on your phone and can even review newly installed apps from outside sources, sometimes called side-loaded apps. That is especially useful because apps installed from outside the Play Store may not go through the same review process. Another important feature is malware removal. If Google Play Protect detects a potentially harmful app, it can take action in a few different ways. Depending on the situation, it may warn you about the app, disable it, or automatically remove it from your device. This gives your Android phone an extra layer of protection without requiring constant manual checks. Google Play Protect also provides privacy alerts. If an app appears to hide important information or misrepresent what it actually does, the system can warn you. This is helpful because some apps may seem harmless at first glance, while actually behaving in ways that go against developer policies or user expectations. In addition, on newer Android versions, Google Play Protect can help with permission resets. If an app has not been used for a long time, Android may automatically reset its permissions. That means access to things like your camera, microphone, or location can be removed until you choose to use the app again. This is a useful privacy safeguard, especially for apps you forgot were even installed. Overall, Google Play Protect is an always-on security tool that helps scan apps, remove threats, warn about risky behavior, and protect your personal information. It is not something most users need to manage constantly, but it plays a major role in keeping Android devices safer every day.